Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how to fix not showing text notification coming from Android in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So first of all, before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings and then scroll down in last and click on apps. And after that, scroll down and open messages, and here you can see the option notifications. Click on it and make sure you turn this button on, allow notification button on. If you turn it off, then turn it on. After turning on all notifications, your notifications will be on. So this is the way to fix not showing text messages coming from Android in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.